So this one is our stereotype microscope, and this one is our lens is here, and this is the place where we keep the sample. This is our focusing knob. By adjusting it, it will focus. And this one is our magnification power. It has a total 6 magnification level 0.67x, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and each one denotes the multiple of 10. 0.67x means it's the magnification power of 6.7x, 1x means 10x, 2 20x, like this. So currently we are measuring the sample, we are taking the images at 6.7x. Now this stereotype microscope is attached to our system, so we are seeing the we are looking the image in our software, that is VUE 2014. Now opening the camera. Now as we are just it's almost focused, but we are trying to get more clear image by focusing it through the focusing knob. Okay, so now we can see the clear image. And now we put a scale bar for before putting the scale bar we need to choose the magnification scale in the system also, that is 6.7x. So now our putting a scale bar magnification scale, and put it. Now this is our scale bar, that is 1 mm. Scale bar means this sample denoted this one distance is of 1 mm distance. So this is showing the scale bar. Now this is our image. From where we can see there are several zones. Just magnify in this area. You see that there are different kind of zone is there, like this one is our base metal, this one is our stud material. Through the tool there you can see the clearly pin is rotating in this section only. Okay, now just adjacent to this you can see slightly, if you see clearly, there is just little bit different zone, different kind of zone we can see here. Like this one is TMA zone, TMA Z zone, and just close to it where we can see the some change in colors or heat, that is just come from the heat affected zone. So that we can see from here. Now next is scaling the different length. See, this one is our horizontal scaling. We are choosing it and measuring the what is the horizontal length of different section. This one we measure the upper shoulder regions. This one is 16.03 mm approx. So and our shoulder diameter is already 16 mm. So it's coming means whatever we have used the tool shoulder dia, that is it's coming exact almost same 16 mm. So likewise also we can measure the pin diameter of mean, that is from one end of this to another end. That is 6 mm around approximately. And likewise we can measure the vertical distance, that how much pin length is. We can see here from starting point to the end of the point. You can see our pin length is around 6.04 mm. Likewise we can measure our plate thickness also, from one end of the plate to the another end of plate, that is you can see 6.33 mm. And our plate thickness originally initially our plate thickness is 6.3 mm, and after measuring from this microscope it's coming 6.33, means our result are in line with the observed result. So next thing is we can save the data if we want with this length and dimensioning. So likewise there are two different mode, we can change the color and setting. So this one is default mode, and next one AWB mode, which will show our black and white images. So now we can save it like in this way by giving any name, or we can save in default mode where we can see the whatever the actual color means in somewhat color mode we can save also. That's this one more thing, there's two options. One knob is here. If we press it, we can see the things in our eyepiece. Uh, and if we press this, this is our eyepiece. We can directly see the image from the camera, but we can't take it. We can't take the data in our soft copy. But if we need it to catch, then we need to press this button, and we can get the image in system. Okay.